This is a product overview of the Intice lead conversion system. Intice uses a customized prepaid Visa card as an incentive to provide a compelling reason for a customer to convert to a lead and then visit a dealership showroom. The customer must visit the dealership showroom to qualify to receive the Visa. What you will see is our demo website, inticeautomotive.com. It represents a dealership's website with the entire Intice technology installed. This overview will take you through a customer's interaction with our sample dealer site to illustrate our 4-step approach to lead conversion using the Intice data-driven behavioral lead conversion system. When a customer arrives at a dealer's website, they will be greeted with the patented offer technology. This is our first and most successful attempt at converting website visitors to a lead. A customer can click the Get Offer button and register right away. They can click the Ignore button or the Close box, and the offer will be minimized to a tab that can be located along the left edge of the browser's window. The offer will stay minimized and will only be seen again if the customer clicks the tab to open. For demo purposes, let's say the customer is interested in looking at new vehicles and pulls up a search results page, SRP, and then shows interest in a Land Cruiser and views a VDP, vehicle display page, and decides that they really like the Land Cruiser but realizes that before they can purchase, they would need to do something with their car and sees the Get Trade-in Value tab. This is our trade incentive app. We have 3 installation types: an iframe installation to replace the dealer's existing trade evaluation tool on the Value Your Trade page, a Facebook trade incentive app, and this, what we call our app style installation. We understand that the digital real estate on a dealer's vehicle detail page is very important, and we don't want to take any of this valuable space. So we have created the only tool of its type that overlays a fully featured trade evaluation system. This allows a customer to evaluate their trade while keeping an eye on the vehicle that they want to buy. It's similar to how salespeople are trained to park the new car next to a customer's trade-in vehicle at the dealership after a test drive. The Intice Trade tool provides a clean user interface, a quick and intuitive user experience. We leverage the strength of the Kelley Blue Book brand to provide third-party credibility. By selecting the year, the make defaults to the manufacturer that you sell, but provides options for selecting any other make, model, and trim. We collect the miles and zip code and integrate with USPS to ensure correct data capture. Optional features can be selected. A customer can optionally rate their vehicle, which we find that over 40% take the time to do so, creating a personal connection to the valuation of their vehicle. What you see here is the most important part of the trade appraisal process. The next step is converting a visitor to a lead. Nothing matters if we can't get to the next step. We position the dealer's custom Visa just under the message box that says, "Your trade appraisal is ready. Please provide us with your contact information so we can send you a copy of your Blue Book Trade-in Value report." Next to the Visa image, the customer can see a message stating, "We would like to make an offer for your vehicle and would like to provide you with a special incentive, a $25 Visa card." In this example, the customer chooses not to submit their contact information and decides to visit other sites, like other dealership sites, manufacturer sites, or third-party sites. In order to visit another site, they must move their mouse to the address bar. The Intice technology tracks all mouse movements, and at the exact moment the customer is attempting to leave the dealership site, the moment just before they go somewhere else, Intice interprets this activity as intent to exit and automatically presents the 3rd attempt for lead conversion by presenting a page takeover offer, showing a clean, simple offer and call to action. This is called the exit intent technology and will only be shown if the customer has not previously registered and gives Intice one last chance to convert the visitor to a lead. Visitors who do not register for the offer and successfully exit the dealership's website, Intice automatically advertises to these customers as they browse the internet with the Intice dynamic model line retargeting. There are many companies that provide retargeting services, but none provides a solution that matches the capabilities of Intice. In this demo, the vehicle that was viewed was a Land Cruiser. To illustrate retargeting advertising, here are live ads on sample sites. All ads include the Land Cruiser alongside a compelling call to action, the $25 Visa offer. Advertisements are placed on top-tier sites, including CNN, the Weather Channel, Fox, eBay, Realtor.com, MSN, and even sites like Car Gurus and Kelley Blue Book. To continue to show the dynamic portion of the technology, by visiting the demo site and viewing a second vehicle such as a Sequoia and revisiting the sample pages, both the Land Cruiser and the Sequoia are now included in the dynamic banner ads. Intice Model Line Dynamic Retargeting is integrated with Google's DoubleClick platform, providing programmatic, cross-channel campaign ad management capabilities to hundreds of ad networks and sub-networks, providing access to all the premium content sites. Intice Model Line Retargeting creates a personalized ad experience for the customer, increasing engagement rates more than 50% than typical retargeting. But here's where it gets really cool. In addition to personalizing the ads with the vehicles a customer views on the site, the Intice unified smart landing pages programmatically matches the landing page experience to the ad unit. So for example, if a customer clicks through on the Land Cruiser ad, they are brought to a page on the dealership's URL with additional parameters included to change the content to match the ad. To further illustrate, by clicking the Sequoia ad, directs to the same URL but with different parameters, which changes the page content to match the new ad. Intice worked with Dadium to design the VDP landing page, leveraging best practices to optimize for lead conversion. You'll also notice how seamlessly the unified smart landing pages integrate with your existing site. No iframe scroll bars or traditional wonkiness you see with third-party tools. Our technology dynamically adapts the size of your site to the size of the landing page. Intice Model Line Retargeting is the fourth opportunity for lead conversion. In addition to Model Line Retargeting, Intice provides VDP retargeting, where the individual vehicles researched on the dealership's website are included in the retargeting ads, and the click-through URL is the same VDP initially viewed by the user. Others may claim their solution can replicate this, but ask them to show you, as we have here, for proof. Intice has a multi-step registration process. The first step includes the minimum information necessary for lead conversion: name, number, and email. After converting this information, but prior to submitting to a dealership CRM, Intice provides an optional advanced registration process. Customers can provide additional information, such as what vehicle they are considering next, including year, make, model, trim, options, and color. They can also get their trade-in value right through the advanced registration. This trade-in user experience is the same if the customer would engage the trade evaluation tools through the Value Your Trade page, the app style installation, or the Facebook trade evaluation tool. We give the dealer the option of selecting what values will be provided, selecting just one or up to all available values. We recommend all, as this provides the largest value range for the customer. We leverage the KBB specific info, such as the percentage of vehicles that qualify for the different value categories, plus by hovering over the information icon, a list of characteristics that a vehicle must have to qualify for each of the value categories. The customer can continue to pre-register for their visit by entering their address and selecting an appointment date and time. The Intice technology monitors completion and form abandonment, and when complete, all collected information is sent to the dealership's CRM via an ADF XML, and the customer is presented with an offer certificate and trade appraisal form, and at the same time, this is emailed to the customer and kicks off a fully customized automated email marketing campaign to encourage the customer visit. To avoid duplicate registrations, once a customer has completed the offer registration process, the offer is no longer visible on the website, through various apps and installations. The offer registration certificate can be used as an upcard for when the customer visits the dealership showroom. As you can see, it has the customer's name, address, email, phone number, vehicle they have interest in, with options and color, plus full trade evaluation. When this form is used during the sales process, it assists the dealership to justify the actual trade value and creates urgency for the customer to trade. It includes the KBB.com percentages of vehicles that qualify for value category, plus will help overcome value objections with built-in word tracks like this. The book value of your vehicle is between $82.90 and $95.42. The true trade-in value of your vehicle is determined by many factors, only one being the book value. When determining our offer for your vehicle, we consider the year, make, model, and mileage. We also look at national and regional sales and trends, market and economic conditions, auction data, and your vehicle's condition and desirability. In addition, based on mileage, if the customer's vehicle is out of basic and powertrain warranty, up to 2 warnings will be shown on the certificate, explaining that the vehicle is not covered by factory warranty, creating urgency for the customer to trade. When the customer arrives at the dealership showroom, we recommend that 2 things happen: redeem first, then start the sales process, and involve a manager in the redemption process. The redemption is a short and simple process of finding the customer in the intice redemption portal and clicking redeem. This triggers a visit validation email to be sent to the customer and places the order for the customer's Visa. The Visa is created, embossed, and shipped in a custom greeting card style carrier, first class mail, all in no more than 24 business hours. Your customer will receive their Visa 1 to 3 days after shipment in most cases. When they receive their Visa, they must activate it prior to using it. This is done at a dealership's Visa activation page. Prior to activating, the customer must complete a 1-question survey. This lets the dealership know immediately by email if the customer has purchased or if they are still in the market, immediately following activation. Optionally, after Visa activation, the customer can complete a dealership review. These reviews can be used to attract new customers by installing the unified website review app and the Facebook review application. Dealers can approve or decline reviews and add dealership comments, as well as publish to the dealership's Facebook timeline from the intice portal. Other features not included in this presentation include the following: third-party lead integration. Incentivize third-party leads based on location, polk, and Dadium scoring. Dealership geofencing prevents offer from being shown on mobile devices at the dealership's physical location. Manual Visa card ordering. Send a custom Visa to anybody for any reason. Great for bird dogs or marketing incentives. Reporting and analytics. Full suite of customized reports and full-featured analytics dashboard. For more information, please contact Intice at sales@intice.com or call us at 855-747-7770.